Welcome back to your second English lesson. In our first class, you learned how to start speaking English without fear. Today, we will move into real-life English, because real fluency does not begin with difficult grammar. It begins with simple sentences that you can use every day. From the moment you wake up in the morning until you sleep at night, English can become part of your daily routine. And when daily routine becomes English practice, fluency starts naturally. So today, do not just listen. Repeat every sentence with me, slowly, clearly, and confidently. Let us begin with the morning. When you wake up, say, "I woke up early today." Repeat, "I woke up early today." Now say, "I need some water." Again, "I need some water." Now another sentence, "I am feeling fresh." Very good. Now, "I will get ready now." These are simple sentences, but these simple sentences train your brain to think directly in English, and that is the real beginning of fluency. Now imagine you are having breakfast. Say, "I am having breakfast." Again, "I am having breakfast." Now, the tea is hot. Repeat, "The tea is hot." And another useful sentence, "I am getting late." This sentence is used every day, especially when you are preparing for work, school, or any appointment. The more daily sentences you learn, the more natural your English becomes. Now you are leaving home. Say, "I am going to work." Again, "I am going to work." Now, "I will come back soon." And, "Please lock the door." Very common, very useful. Now, while walking outside, you can say, "The weather is nice today." Or, "There are many people here." These short observations help your speaking improve faster. Now imagine you are in office. You need simple, professional English. Say, "Please send me the file." Again, "Please send me the file." Now, "I will finish this today." And, "Can you help me?" These are small office sentences, but they are extremely powerful because real communication always starts simple. Now the day is ending. You return home. Say, "I am tired today." Again, "I am tired today." Now, "How was your day?" And, "Let us eat dinner." This is daily English. This is real English. And if you repeat these sentences every day, your speaking confidence will grow naturally. Remember, fluency is not built in one day. It is built sentence by sentence, day by day. Keep practicing.